this soccer club wants to buy 21 practice balls and 10 games balls for a total of $935.15. So the underachiever soccer club buys 17 practice balls and 12 game balls, but they paid $936.45. Now, the practice balls for both teams cost the same. The game balls for both teams cost the same. And we want to know the price of each ball. So being a word problem, make sure that we really need to make sure we really know what we're looking for. So the last sentence often gives us the clue of what we're looking for and what our variable is going to be. The price of each ball. Okay, so we don't know the price of the practice ball and we don't know the price of the game ball. So that's how I'm going to set my variables. So I'm going to do my let statement. Let x equal, and make sure we're clear, it's the price of practice ball. And we'll let y equal the price of game ball. Okay, so once we've established the variables, we need to come up with two relationships so that we have two equations to solve this system. Okay, so I'm going to come up with two relationships. Well, one relationship is for the first club, 21 practice, 10 game for $935. So that's my first relationship. So it's going to be 21 times the price of the practice balls plus 10 times the price of the game balls. So that's going to give me cost, and that's going to both equal the total cost of $935.15. So that's one relationship. So I need to come up with a second relationship now. My second relationship is with the other club. So it's 17 practice balls and 12 game balls for $936.45. So this relationship I can write as 17 balls times the cost of those practice balls plus 12 game balls times the cost of the game balls. That's the cost of practice balls, cost of game balls, and that should add up to the total cost for that club. So there it is. I have my two relationships. I have my two variables. I can get rid of these variables by trying to match the coefficients. 17 and 21 have lots of pretty big prime numbers in there. So we're going to try to match 12 and 10. We'll get the lowest common multiple. That's going to be 60. Okay, so I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 6. So I'm going to do 6 times equation 1. And that's going to give me 126x plus 60y. Okay, and I need a calculator for this part. 6 times 935.15. Okay, so that's going to give me $5,610.90. So to get the 60y here, I need to multiply equation 2 by 5. If I do that, I end up with 85x plus 60y, and 5 times $936.45 gives me $4,682.25. Okay, so once I've matched my y coefficients, I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to eliminate my y variable here. So 126 minus 85 gives me 41 x's. Okay, so I need a calculator here for this one. So minus 5,610.90 minus $4,682.65. Okay, that's going to give me $912 $28.65. Okay, so then the cost of the practice ball, I divide both sides by 41, and I get $22.65, and this is the cost of the practice ball. Okay, so I haven't finished here because I still need to solve for the game ball cost. So I'm going to plug it into equation number 1. So it's going to be 21 times the practice ball cost is $22.65. That leaves me with just the y variable left in that equation. Okay, and then I can solve for the y. So 21 times 22.65. That's going to give me $475.65. That's the cost of the 21 practice balls. So the remaining costs must be for the game balls. Okay, so I end up the game balls cost in this case $459.50. So one game ball is going to cost $45.95. Okay, so the cost of practice ball equals $22.65, and then the cost of the game ball, that works out to be $45.95. Okay, so again, with these word problems, we want to make sure that we establish what the variables are, what is exactly that we're looking for. Secondly, once you've established that, you want to come up with, if you have two variables, we need to come up with two relationships to be able to solve that system, and then we can solve that system by some algebraic method.